Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone so the process is uninterrupted. Charge it and confirm your SIM or Wi-Fi. Now open the main menu and tap Settings, then navigate to Security or Apps depending on your model. This first actionable step locates where Apps and Permissions live. Once there, identify YouTube as either a pre-installed app, a store app, or a browser shortcut, because the removal or restriction method depends on that distinction and how the GeoPhone firmware exposes controls. You now perform the core disabling actions. If the YouTube app shows uninstall or disable, choose disable to stop it from running. Do this to prevent background updates and shortcuts. If the app cannot be removed, open app permissions and revoke network and storage access so it cannot play content. Make sure to clear defaults and stop auto-launch. If YouTube is a browser bookmark, open the browser settings and delete the shortcut or block YouTube. Common content filters so it won't load. You finish by rebooting the GeoPhone to ensure changes take effect, then test opening YouTube. It should no longer launch. If the app or site remains accessible, check for parental controls, browser cache, or carrier-level settings that re-enable services and adjust those accordingly. If updates restore the app, clear app data and reset app preferences in settings before repeating the disable steps. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, record exact firmware details so you can seek firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.